Hello, we are going to make teddy today. Let's get started. First, I'm going to use light brown crayon around the nose. And next, I'm using the darker brown on the nose and the face, around the eyes. And make sure keep it inside of the Sharpie pen. And next one is the ear. And also his fluffy arms, right arm and left arm, and the body too, and right leg and left leg. Alright, Play-Doh time. Now I have orange Play-Doh. I added the black and mix. I'm adding a little bit more black. So I have lighter brown and darker brown. Let's put the darker brown on the ear. And to make a fluffy shape, I'm using the stick. Next one is on the face. Again, I'm making it fluffy. And next one is I am using the lighter brown on the nose area. And darker brown again, put it on the nose. Now I made a black balls to make eyes. Going back to the darker brown and put it on the chest. I carved out the leg and make the rounded leg feet and make it fluffy again. Now I put the longer rounded oval shape to make arms. And using the stick again. Okay, here is a teddy. Very easy. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.